In the Free State, where the High Court is set to deliver judgment in the trial within a trial of Moroadi Cholota. Cholota is challenging her extradition from the United States to stand trial in the 255 million rand asbestos roof removal case. SABC News reporter Kamogelo Seekoei gives us more insight on this.
Well, Sakina, this morning we are expecting that Judge Philip Lobsha will hand down his judgment in this trial within a trial in which Moroadi Cholota is actually challenging her extradition from the United States of America. Just to take the viewer a little bit back to last week, when the state as well as Moroadi Cholota's legal representatives submitted their closing arguments inside the Free State High Court here in Bloemfontein. You remember that Loiso Makapela, who is the legal representative for Cholota, told the court that the state was not able to put a convincing case forward, that they actually followed all protocols when bringing Moroadi Cholota back to the country. But the state also said that it did follow all the procedures that it had to follow. In fact, Johan Nason, who is the state prosecutor, actually told the judge that Moroadi Cholota failed to take the stand inside the court because she knew that it would be messy for her, because a lot of the claims that they put forward with her legal representatives were actually not proven in court when they were cross-examining. In fact, he actually also said that the legal representative, which is the defense for Moroadi Cholota, depended solely on the evidence that was led by the two state witnesses that the state brought to the stand to actually demonstrate that they followed all the protocols that needed to be followed to bring Moroadi Cholota back here. But we will see which direction the judge will take this morning when he hands down his judgment. And we'll also remember that there's another person who's actually involved, who actually took a bite at the trial within a trial, which is the former Free State Premier, Kamogelo, who also, through his legal representative, challenged the fact that Moroadi Cholota was intended, or rather the state wanted for Moroadi Cholota to implicate him in this case. And of course, later on we'll also be speaking to a legal analyst just to help us unpack the outcome of the case, depending on whether the judge will find in favor of Moroadi Cholota or will dismiss this matter. So we'll definitely speak to a legal analyst just to help us really define what the way forward will be and what the outcome of this trial within a trial will mean for the main trial itself, which has 18 accused. So later today we'll know whether Moroadi Cholota will actually be part of this case or she will not be part of it, and what are the implications of that.
Oh, thank you so much, Kamogelo Seekoei at the Free State High Court for us.